I'm sure I'm not alone looking for new sunglasses, but on a budget. Let's give Meller a try together. I've got a few pairs to try on, and I think even if they don't suit me, maybe then it will help just to actually see it on someone else's face shape, see how they look actually on camera in real life, not just on social media images. The returns may be difficult. I don't know what this is actually going to be like. I had to do a lot of digging online to find out where they're based, and I think it's in Barcelona, so what do you guys think? First off, very kind of edgy. And these are actually like the Montclair pair that I'll put here that I was really looking at. What pair was this one? Okay, so this hasn't got the protecting stuff on, so maybe these were returns. Slightly Willy Wonka vibe, but I do like these. Don't know what to think about these. I like them though. So this is the kind of piano black style, very like this same pair of glasses that I said the other one was like. So comparing these two together, these are the same. Next pair. They all look the same, so I'm not going to do this unboxing. I'm going to speed up each time I put them on. Okay, so this is, again, this one's wrapped, the other one wasn't, which is fine. It probably just means that this was a return. This wasn't a return, fresh pair. So this one is a bit more, these are smaller, this pair. But let's give these a go. What do you think of these ones? Ooh, these, okay, this is cool. Ow. Okay, so this is cool. This is a pair that I just wanted to, more so to try on what yellow lenses look like on me, because I've seen this trend and I actually really like it. So these are not as tinted, but they're still UV protecting. So this is a total test, and I have no idea how this will look. Are these cool or not on me? It's weird because I'm seeing it in a different color. This is quite wonky unless I actually purposely put it on. I think it's just the way people's ears are. This one's higher up, which is a pain for every single pair of glasses I've owned. But I'm sure I'm not the only one who suffers with that. Last two. Very excited for this pair. Number one, for the color. I love everything in beige. But this feels even more statementy, but also almost less, because they are like the smaller black ones that I got, but they're in beige. Like a stony, taupe, almost mauvey pink color. I love these. I don't know if the lens, the bridge is too small. What do you guys think? I personally feel like these are a bit too small, so I don't know if that actually makes my face then look bigger, but they sit nicely on the face. What do you think? Final pair. So these are interesting because I also wanted to see what more like bluer lenses were like. What one pop artist does this remind you of? Give you 3 seconds. Comment it down below and I'll respond back to you. Anastasia. I don't know if, again, these are too close together. Very edgy. These are very like, I feel like every pair of these are Instagrammable, but that's not why I want the pair of glasses. I think that's nice, and obviously it's great, but I want ones that really kind of suit my face. I feel like these ones kind of angle out. There we go. So when you're shopping on Meller, I'm sure I'm not the only person that is a bit overwhelmed with the amount of products that they sell. They do amazing, beautiful looking glasses. They do a ton more. This is only a fraction of actually what they sell, but I do feel unboxing these that I did give a really good go at trying quite a lot of different styles. What I noticed with the first style, actually it's difficult to say because everyone's face shape is different, so thankfully they do accept returns. I will put in the description down below, so by the time you're watching this, I'll put down below how much it cost me to send these back. I always want to make sure that my videos offer value when you guys click onto them and watch them. So if I can help to just kind of use myself as a guinea pig, so then you can get a rough idea of how much it is. Because when you buy anything online, you are taking the gamble that you do not suit it. And especially with eyewear, it's such a personal thing, and everyone's face looks so different and is sized differently and everything. So comment down below with your experience with Meller. I'm really interested to know. And if you do like any of these pairs, they do a referral thing where this thing will pop up and says like, give your friend £10. I'm obviously going to sign up to that and offer that to you guys. There is no need for you to click through that, but obviously it helps to support this channel. It shows that you have appreciated this video, and also let me know which pair that you like, or even if you see a style on the site or a pair that you have, and maybe you've watched this, I don't know why, but thank you. And if you think a style would suit me, please comment down below. I would love to see that. I will see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye.